is in an interesting and a very unique position. It's an emotional brand on the one hand that understands human needs, but it's also an engineering-driven technology brand, and reconciling those two will be a huge challenge of the future, and Porsche is a company that can take it on.
So the basic idea behind the Next Visions Day is to put together several people with different perspectives to look into the future and define what is the next vision of Porsche.
I think one thing to think about when you come to an amazing show like this, where you're seeing the most beautiful cars, is that this may be the very beginning of how our relationship with cars unfolds.
Where Porsche leads, other companies will see legitimacy in that, and they will follow as well. So if you want to change the world, you have to do it with people who have the ability to do that, but also the cultural values, the cultural power to do it as well. And Porsche is one of those companies. You know, everybody knows what a Porsche is.